started the video at the perfect time. We're about to set off some fireworks. I think they're like, I've forgotten the angle, but
what's your YouTube name?
I'm gonna change it. So
Huh?
I'm gonna change it.
What is it at the minute?
The NCIS.
NCIS.
Capital T, capital NCIS. Oh yeah, guys. So today's a great day. We're about to set off some fireworks in my street. No, I'm not telling you where that is. We don't do that. Can you not? Ah! Say hi to the camera, Mom.
Hey guys, welcome to another
Mom. Oh look at that. That's a spinning Mary thingy. Spinning Catherine. It's a Catherine wheel. I would get a good shot, but I'm a bit too lazy today. Anyway, that's not going to be a wrap for this video. Again, I normally do 1 minute videos because... Okay, that's going to be a wrap for this episode. I'll see you guys next week on Bad Unboxing.